It just makes me want to get down on my knees and kiss the ground I'm walking on. But I won't, because that's gross. What's going on, guys? I'm your host Joss. Welcome back to InformOverload. We dish out the daily news and viral updates in the most entertaining way that we possibly can. If you like what we do, make sure you follow the IO team on social media. All of our links are in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and notification bell to make sure that you never miss another video. That would be a shame. A 26-year-old girl named Heather Friesian was hiking with her friends on the Crater Trail in Hawaii before she stopped at a waterfall to capture the view. Her GoPro camera was attached to her head and captured the moment she walked to the edge of the fall to peek down and check out the view below. The footage shows her initially looking at the drop with awe, and you actually hear her say "whoa" in the video. And not like a bad whoa, like a good whoa, as in she really liked waterfall. The entire incident is caught on tape and it's hard to watch, I'm not gonna lie. She screams the entire way down and plunges into the water, where you can hear her moaning, trying to grab rocks and find the surface above water. Given the video's timing, it appears that she was submerged under the water for at least 20 seconds. That's a night. She is able to walk as we see in the video, but she is clearly disoriented and in a lot of pain. Turns out she had 10 broken ribs, a collapsed lung, a fractured scapula, and several deep gashes. The good news is she did live to tell the story. The accident happened in 2016 and the footage just recently surfaced as she felt comfortable to share her survival miracle. She went on the podcast called In the World of Female Sports and recalls the accident. She says that during her fall, time slowed down. She said, "The things I was thinking about when I was falling, it's the whole cliche thing that time slows down. I started thinking about how upset everyone was going to be at me. My family was so far away and they would be so worried about me." She went on to explain that what she was concerned about most though was being able to play volleyball again, because that is her true passion in life. And guess what? She can! She now plays beach volleyball professionally. Heather says that God is the reason she is still alive and able to play. She said, I quote, "I kept repeating to myself, God's got me, I'm going to be okay, and I'm going to play volleyball again. I found there had been others before me who fell from the same spot and died, and I know that God saved my life that day." Whether you're religious or not, her survival story is a good reminder to just cherish life. Let me know what you guys think about her story down in the comments, and hit the thumbs up button so that I know you enjoyed today's story. Shout out to you, Heather, you are one badass for making it through that, and with such a positive attitude. Let's finish off the video with some comment shoutouts. REOU says, "Your news keeps getting odder," and I love it. That is what we do, we find the weirdest stories on the internet. 78 Crunchy Forever says, "I've never seen Jocelyn before, so at first I was so confused because I thought that Charlotte had completely changed her look." Who's Jocelyn? It's me, Charlotte. I got hair extensions and dyed it brown. Lynette Crick says, "I got room for your pickle jar and you, Joss. You're an inspiration. Thank you." Wait, what? That is like the nicest thing ever. That's a compliment, and then the pickle thing? Girl, you're too nice. Kim Hawkins says, "I'm just commenting to see if my daughters Chloe, almost 17 years, and Torrance, almost 13 years, might get a little shout out for their upcoming birthday to go with this beautiful celebration of a life." They sure will. Happy birthday, Chloe and Torrance. I hope you both have an awesome day. We are at the end here, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the things before you go, and click the playlist right over here to keep watching more of our videos. I'm your host, Joss, and I will see you next time.